iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Kaizer Chiefs emphatically. It was very straightforward, missing a penalty from Manyama, but for the most part, Sundowns were the dominant side and they deserved the victory. Junior Khanye, our analyst as always. What did you make of the game, sir?
Yes, sir. Ngibulise uTrax esibaningi Benedicto no nomntana kaRamaruma bafethu.
Yes, sir.
Machakala kayi ngona mre. Tukutu no Jay-Z sifethu Jay-Z last year. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. We try to fix South African football. Enkulekazi kwenzakalani ivara ukuthi mina manzothi
Are you drinking alcohol?
If you say in reality, this is I'm not saying zoba straightforward. Sundowns, they're not at their best, but maskulumang identity. When we talk about identity, this is what we're talking about. Well-structured team. Credit to coaches Kala, ukufaka the right players. Badlali 3-4-3 as always. Against Chiefs idlala nga 5-2-2-1. Yeah, it's 5-2-2-1. We need to be realistic. We badlala by 5. Angithi ama center back ay 3. Nama wing back right and left. Oplum no Hlanti, and then the middle call Alexander too flat. Yeah. So all in all, Sundowns we badlala ngama department. The Rook, I'm very happy nalomfano Grant Kekana in terms of buyers bateka ngama wing back. When you move yabo mayiqala onyanga iqala, they stretch wide. If possible, asebalise kumrena wepa is a wing back. Ba wide to the Rook, could anything happen? Maybe Chiefs and buyers dlala transition. Somebody must pick up on the right, somebody must keep up on the left. The Rook yaga left or right, Grant left or right. And then Rivaldo become a sweeper. And the afigela avalele kepka Rivaldo. So in the middle, Badalanga 3. What do you expect? Sundowns, they're very comfortable. Small-sided, they must type passing game. Yabo nanam trying to be by ends, but we came in the middle. They were playing Kumangandile Charlie, credit to him. Rivaldo could say Yamniga.
Came to the party.
Yeah. Andile Charlie was different and no Rivaldo Simnige. Box to box one dile. He was most supporting attack. Bigati Rivaldo Magalanda too deep. Was Andile support. This is what you want. He complement. He lending Klanen Kulmanga variation in the middle balance. Andile Charlie Bianga is lending Rivaldo. He shy box to box. When you attack, sim. When you defend, sim. So Ipola label corner, begal support. Ipola la lenda corner bill sub. So Mrena, I don't understand the instruction in Coach Uguti. Ipola when they play Sundowns as a wing back, he must run inside. He knows Guti Iprain is not aksiwe yake. He is energetic. Umchita umuntu ongekumbheka kulezinto zabo technical is not technically good. It doesn't have a brain that layer bomshishi. He is a runner, athlete. So as a wing back umchita ukreni maka runner more of a lane. So ngena phakathi imove Sundowns be stop away yonke ngasonke isikhathi. Credit to the front three, came to the party. Ngikhuluma ngoKhemiti Rasmus, Shalulile. Also Sereno ayinkuleko masikhuluma ngokuthi mawune attack this is what is expected against the Sofro. Sundowns have done it. He circulated ball in the middle. There was a supplier. Mshishi was coming from more deep. Number 10 bega low. Ichiefs ngoba beyimile at the back bamaka zonal by 5 bamaka zonal bangixake runner bahambi nayo vele bazobashaya. Vele ngexpect isko ukuthi sibele mina even more ngoba uStuart lento ngitshela yona uye walinda ubonisile nje ngeline up with skate of Sundowns. So Sundowns joba ngisho they came to the party ibhola bedlala ngama department and they go wide if they don't have ibhola Sundowns mangabe baliphethanga ibhola they close when they've got the ball they open up. You understand? If there's traffic they by start abaqala you understand baqala phansi teamwork. You understand? Inkhuthaze kakhulu ngoba njoba ngisho angeke ubone ibhola liphakama. Today I didn't see some ama teammate Sundowns pass my opponent. Strengths each other they understand. Mawapega is like they know strengths each other. When they play they know ukuthi Mrena is already running. If they play, they know like he's already running.
I need to ask you a couple of questions though about the approach of Chiefs. I know a lot of Chiefs fans are not happy about the exclusion of Ongcabo Baitu, Ngosingiphile, Nonjabulo Ngcabo. And also the decision to play 3 centre-backs today. You make a very good point, Uguti. He appears as though he was scared of his Sundowns because he hasn't played 3 centre-backs, but today that was his plan.
There is no change helicopter. If we miss when it's made up, and then you bring in Kevin Hunt, and then you bring us short. Same thing is doing. We need to be realistic. If philosophy are KP.
That's why I was saying one time to you, Uguti, if you change Middendorp with Hunt, with Baxter, it appears as though as a club, that is your preferred philosophy.
Uboni said Sundowns say Saba. He play at the back, play, Urlaya Guma long balls. He knows Guti, Ukadoso technical is good. He play, must play Caruso, Milas Atoro Samnekovic. I'm a midfielder getting function. Nang anything in question, I ain't got some Mazo Cholo Nanga so. He never raised his hand. Gulabi Gazala Konami to come in where the Kaizer Chiefs is a start I get. No, but he must be playmaking. Any coach he knows good Sundowns is Lalangatri. Why playing 2? But Lalangatri in the middle, very will win in the middle. And they came by winning on Sundowns today. So she's playing at the back. Cardoso, goalkeeper, Bafuma was never some fun prize now. Gule came so he didn't think Chela and Itama came so accept as a bone, no way cheap exibon. Oh, so rich okori. Young Bamakule. So effect to Gucci, the boy was nervous. Obama Pola when they play me the pole, Anga's a congo an extra charge, no manga hole long pole. I don't know it's the instruction of we. You understand? Another thing. Nimaka zonal ganjani baninganga na matifena. Ko uterana. Kaizer Chiefs they were 3 flat. Udlala kanjani ama center back njengalo mfana uDube. Look nervous as well. Uye Caruso Tower. Ubani Makawida. If Sundowns take udlala against people that they move off the ball. So how are you going to deal with them? Hlanti technical is poor. Always Chiefs kadi ball ungale. Winger, 9-9 wing. You understand? So it's Sundowns with Malbamba when they run wide to commit no Sereno. Ushalile mangahlala la kula abantu abayichu ngoba ngikhuluma ngoshalile ba focus epolweni ngikhuluma ngoThawa no Caruso they focus epolweni. You understand? Uthi ubemela cheke 1-on-1 can't deal nayo. Usereno bekuvela amceda ngene boxing ene bangicaka coach knowing ubonile Sundowns Shalulile ucedile ngala 2 center back ubuya ngayo. Namhlanje bheka ukora ngalo bude baba. Caruso is a problem kuleko ngoba nale goal elidube yes nya uye walala la but Caruso position yakho ibonile. So going immediately the Chiefs nowhere to be seen. Cole Alexander can expect him being a playmaker, cover distance. That's why I told you look at the game.
You were one of the first people in the country, or you were the first person in the country to pick up problems technically on Nurkovic. You pointed out basic skills that were lacking, but at that time, because people were drunk in the excitement of him scoring 14 goals or whatever, we always alert them that this is the weakest league you will find on the continent, especially defensively. And some of these problems are starting to crop up now. He's not scoring goals, they are playing him out of position. What would you do if you were the coach of Samuel Nurkovic? What would you be doing now?
Let him go. Simple. It's my season. And then I sign young stars. Yeah, I sign my young stars I5. Sign my young stars I5. Ngwaniga I salary. Le ngwaniga yona engimnika yona ngoba what is he bringing? Ngoba number 1 coach yam accommodator. You can see ukuthi these players abukhama Kikentoli they playing in your win. When ibola lifika kuye umisa ka left coach. Ukuthi bathole yena flickele ukhama abuyise inside bese ball trap abukhama wing back yagijima badlala kanjalo namhlanje they play long uthi abafuna yena he must hold the ball he play wing back uHlanti and then ufuna ukhama I chance ulisa melalisa kwelinye side uSamuel must run on the box his strengths are coach either I rely on long balls transition ngihlale ngitshela ngikule ngithi coacha team ukudla team edlala nge-transition very simple you get ready for them ibody language makazokhaba umuntu you drop back so Sundowns cut supplier le front three iyapusha nje today and then Kaizer Chiefs up front you expect ukuthi namhlanje ungacheck ukhama and Kikentoli uNakovic ngibali we expect ukuthi bola how they going to take defenders on whereby there's no supplier udlala nga 2 in the middle uCole is a defensive midfielder ukatela abantu abala Yambona uyasaba noma instruction from yalazi ball. But you needed to pick up umfana. Unange was nervous. Unange, so ukigen is unfit, but umbonile ukuthi he tried umfana.
I need to wrap up, but I'm going to ask you one last question about Sundowns. They look like a team. They've always represented us as the country, always quarterfinals, Bashar Al Ahly for the past 2 seasons. But with this lineup, this selection, but when they get it spot on, they always look like they are our best chance of doing something in Africa when they get the selection right.
All the team, technically you need players technically good. Circulating the ball in right areas. There must be movement of the ball, allowing individual brilliance, but knowing what the teamwork first. The team is a card. So, but the department, you hardly see them when you came back by approaching a long ball. Identity. It starts from a training. It develop compare Sundowns layer previously, but it different. Namhlanje, I'm a coach at the right players. Grant is new, but namhlanje I'm bonid ukuthi it is done well today. Umfana udlale kahle today. Yabo? But ngale call Sundowns ukuthi idle wonke ama team DStv Premiership is going to be a problem. Because they master technically, you hardly see bowler, but pass bowler, your opponent is teammate is sugile pass backwards. They understand the strengths of each other. It development in training small sided, about juggling, improve technique. In South Africa, Sundowns they are short players mostly. And Onyange at Mut, very disappointing Onyange namhlanje, disappointed because angeke striker Sunday phamaka and then ufuna ukumshaya ngebhola mangamshaya ngene uyolethe almost let Sundowns down. So all in all, Sundowns is a better team good DStv Premiership.
There you go. They've won 4 league titles in a row. There's no discussion about who's the best team in the country. If you want to have a discussion, unfortunately you can have it with other people, but not here, because 4 league titles in a row, they could win the 5th one. Do we need to wait for them to win 100 league titles in a row for us to acknowledge that they are the best team in the country? I don't think so. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, and World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.